Identifying which political party system is suited for the Philippines' political progress and advancement is important, for it encourages voters to have an interest regarding politics and the government. The multi-party system prevents an individual or a politician to control a single legislative easily, as it permits wider and more diverse viewpoints in the government. But it also leads to difficulty in formation, and it is expensive to operate since there are a lot of parties. In addition, the system allows every Filipino citizens to represent their community and formulate laws and policies based on their beliefs and vision. And it allows them to vote freely, but it can also result to division of the nation since they have different beliefs and sometimes lead to political instability that makes the government messy. Furthermore, having a multi-party system gives opportunity to the citizens to have more choices and a chance to change the government. It also allows them to criticize the policies of the current administration. On the other hand, two-party system encourage more people to participate in the local government and gives them a chance to run for office. But since there is only two major parties, it usually results to corruption since the parties has a fixed political views. Also, since there is only two major parties, it may result to inconsistency in governing when the governing power changes, since both parties have different policies that want them to implement and they rarely have the same platform of plans. Lastly, the system simplifies the process of governing since voters only have to choose from Republican or Democrat, for example, and they were usually opted to choose the lesser evil. To sum it up, both parties have its own advantages and disadvantages. Two-party system makes the government more simple since voters only have to choose from two major parties and allows them to understand information easily. But it limits them to choose and represent their beliefs and usually results to corruption. As for the multi-party, it may be expensive to operate and messy, but it allows the voters to represent their beliefs and vision and give them the opportunity to choose more and wisely. In my opinion, multi-party system is the key for Philippines political progress and advancement since it allows the voters to choose who they think can make the country better. The voters also don't have to choose for the lesser evil, but they can choose who they